Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study the economic survey and budget for UPSC. To begin, focus on understanding the core economic concepts presented in these documents. Identify the major policy shifts and government initiatives, as these are crucial for your exam preparation. Always relate the data and analysis to the broader UPSC syllabus, ensuring you grasp the implications for various sectors. Prioritize the executive summaries and key chapters for efficient study. When tackling the economic survey, start with the executive summary to get a quick overview of the entire document. Then, delve into identifying the major themes and policy recommendations, as these often form the basis of exam questions. Pay close attention to key statistics like GDP growth rates and inflation trends, but avoid memorizing every single number. Instead, focus on understanding the overall picture and sector-specific performance. For the union budget, begin by reviewing the finance minister's speech and the budget summary for key highlights. Focus on understanding the government's revenue and expenditure patterns, noting any significant shifts. Identify major schemes and their financial allocations, as well as changes in tax policies or subsidies. It is also important to assess the fiscal deficit and the government's approach to debt management, as these reflect economic health. To maximize your preparation, integrate insights from both the economic survey and budget with your static UPSC syllabus. Use the data and examples to enrich your answer writing, making your responses more analytical and evidence-based. Create concise, topic-wise notes that highlight crucial facts and figures for efficient revision. Consistent review of these key points will help solidify your understanding and improve retention for the examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.